Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures traded up towards the highs of the little range this week, up here, after looking vulnerable down here at the lows of the range, where it looked threatening on this bar, found some support on this bar, then pushed higher to the mid-range, tested for supply this week below the previous bar's close, and then pushed up to the highs of the range towards the end of the week. I would expect some testing for supply just below this level next week, because there is expected to be some supply drawn out from the left here where the market gapped lower, and certainly some supply up here from trapped holders who have been in a weak position for some time now. So the market will likely trade just below the highs of the range for a little period, just to make sure that supply is relatively low. And if it is, there may be an attempt to break out like that and absorb the supply that's expected to be drawn out from the left here. So it's looking a little more promising. If during this period here, supply is drawn out, you'll see a deeper pullback to challenge those sellers prior to any attempt to move higher. But it's certainly looking more positive at this point in time. And if supply is found to be low early in the week, you may see an attempt to push higher.